Alright guys, the bell just rang, and if it is what it is, we have a video today. Let's check it out. Yep. Oh, this thing's heavy. Alright guys, if you guys didn't watch the last episode, then you guys don't know that I took the turbo off and I sent it out, so it's back and we're putting it back on and we're gonna get the car running. So let me put on my shoes and let's get this video started. Oh, there she is, all dirty. What's up guys, it's your boy Johnny 2J. Welcome to another episode of SLP. I am your host today again, just like last week. As you guys saw, package came in, turbo's back. We are going to put this thing in today, but before we do that, let's check it out. I'm gonna open up the box if I could find a damn knife. I'll just use a screwdriver. Check it out guys. This thing cost me an arm and a leg, and they didn't lube me up when they sent me the bill, so yeah, that kind of hurt.
Oh! Oh, beautiful!
Alright guys, I'm not gonna tell you guys the price of how much this cost me to do, but let's put it this way. I could have just bought a new one, but yeah. Damn, they packaged this thing good. What the hell is all this? Ooh. I'll put this down real quick. Like that. Perfect. Ta-da. Oh, they put like some oil on it or something. Alright guys, here it is, freshly rebuilt. You can tell they media blasted and they made it look brand new. Not bad, not bad. Oh, and they gave me the a different, oh yeah, whoops, I was about to say they gave me a different fitting, but guys, when I took this, or when I sent it out, they messaged me saying that the whole center cartridge had to be replaced because it was bad. I told you guys that the bearings probably got ate up, which they did, and they told me that it's pretty much not repairable. They had to get a new housing, and what I'm looking at is it's just a new housing, I guess, and they cleaned it up. That's why they gave it to me back so quick. But we're gonna put that back. We're gonna do an oil change also before we I don't want the dirty oil to run through this brand new turbo pretty much. And then we're gonna fill it up with E85, so we're gonna show you guys some real pulls. That's what we're doing today, so get ready. Whoops. also, guys, please click that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, every Saturday we post new videos, so keep a lookout for that. So let's get this thing started, like I said. I just hit my head on the garage. Alright guys, so the install is pretty much done. It was pretty quick. But like I said before, I turned this car on. I want to put some fresh oil in there. And yeah, that way, new turbo, new oil. You know, I'm just a freak like that. But we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna go to Walmart and get some, what do I remember, Rotella? I remember Rotella shell on this motor. I think it's T6 1540 synthetic. So that's what we're gonna go pick up, get a new filter, and then we'll crank it. Well, we'll prime the turbo and crank it and take it for a ride. Well, actually I gotta go get E85 before I do that, because there's no fuel. From the last video, I literally went through the whole tank. I barely made it home, but ooh, kids crossing, go ahead. But yeah, we're gonna go do that. Oh my god, guys, I feel like I've been driving all freaking day. I picked up the oil, check it out. Oil, new oil filter. And now I'm here at the gas station, about to get some E85, so let's pump that real quick. Oh, I feel like I've been doing this all day, like an hour, 2 hours maybe. But let's get some E85. Alright guys, I'm back. And we're ready to do another oil change. Actually, this is the first time I changed the oil since the tune. Shh. Don't judge me, guys. Alright guys, so I'm still mad right now because I was taking like 15 minutes just to put on my oil filter, and it was going in, threading like one thread, and then it wouldn't turn no more. So I was like, what the heck's going on? I got the right filter, M1102, right? Okay, sure, but look, M1101. So I have to use my old filter. Yeah, lesson learned. Don't get your filters from Walmart. We're back, guys. Good morning. It's the next day today. Like I said yesterday, I was gonna give you guys a drive in the daylight, but before we do that, I'm gonna actually wash the car because it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty filthy. And yesterday I'm pretty sad because when I came back, this is what I found. That little pillar thing, the cover is missing. Well, it flew off, it's gone, so I need a new one. So if anybody out there that knows where I can get one, or has an extra one laying around, hit me up, because yeah, we gotta go look for that. Now the car looks ugly. But before we do that, let's wash the car and then we'll go for the drive. give it some gas, and hopefully we go fast. I'm gonna put you guys on my head. Alright, so hopefully the view is a little bit better today. I know the last video I was just testing it out, see how that camera picked up this angle, but I guess I had it pointing a little too high. So I think we got it this time, guys. And then if I stall it again, oh well. So much drone in here. I told myself I'm gonna buy a muffler for it, but I haven't had the chance to. The clutch is so aggressive right now. I think I saw traffic on the way back. Oh my god, that's gonna suck. For those of you guys that live in Corona and are off the 15, I feel bad because half of the time we have freaking traffic. I hate coming over here. I hate living in Corona. Just being honest.